Okay, I give you guys 3 minutes for this question. Go ahead. Oh, just a second. I forgot to share here. Good? Okay. Go ahead. Let's do it. At the opening of a trading day, stock X had a value of $40 per share and stock Y had a value of $25 per share. So X was 40 and Y was 25. At the closing of the trading day, stock X had a value of 41. And Y 28.50 for this trading day. The percent increase in the value of stock Y was how many percentage points greater than the percent increase in the value of stock X? So we know percent change is final minus initial over initial. Okay. So here is 41 minus 40 over 40 times 100. So it will be 1 over 40. I will leave like that for now. Okay. And then I multiply by 100. Okay. And here will be 28 plus 0.5 minus 25 divided by 25. That is 3.5 divided by 25. Do you agree? So I need to do this one minus this one. Is that right? Super easy. So I will do the least common multiple between 25 and 40 is 200. Yes? 200 divided by 25 is 8 times 3.5. 28. 200 divided by 40 is 5 times 1 is 5. So you'll be 23 over 100. So you'll be half, 11.5 over 100. So 11.5%. Okay? Any question? No. Okay, this one I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Because the cost of purchasing each box of candy from a certain mail order catalog is V dollars per pound. Okay. Plus the shipping that is charged $8 per shipping. How many dollars does it cost to purchase 2 boxes of candy, one containing S pounds? So is quantity times the unit value, the average value. And another box, T pounds, each one V, plus twice the handling. Is that okay? That's it. So quantity times value plus quantity times value plus value, amount. So you put V in evidence, which will be S plus T plus 2H. Okay? Good? Okay? Yes or no? Next.
Marcelo,
Mm.
is the last number for the one that equals 23 supposed to be something else that's not one?
What?
Like it says like T1, T2, T3, and then all the way up to T1 again. So
Mm. Yeah, no, T1 is 23.
oh, okay. I was misreading then, I guess.
Okay. Look, T1 to Tn and can even continue, but you ask someone something in between. And he says T1 is 23. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Who are you?
Isabella.
Okay. Let's do it. In the arithmetic sequence, T1, T2, T... Okay, T1 is 23. Then Tn is the preceding 1 minus 3. What is the value of Tn is equal 4? What is the position of this? You can do like calculating. 23 minus 3, 20. Minus 3, 17. Minus 3, 14. Minus 3, 11. Minus 3, 8. Minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 2. Minus 3, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 4. T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Or, or 23 minus is always 3. So minus 3 times the quantity of times, that is n minus 1, because I have T1 here, okay? It will be equals minus 4. Do you guys agree? 23 any times minus 1, because here is 1, times minus 3, It will be equal for, let's see. I distribute here, it will be minus 3. Am I right? Minus 3n plus 3. You'll be minus 4 minus 23 is minus 27. Minus 3n minus 27 minus 3 is minus 30. Look, you can do algebraically. Is that okay? Can I go? Okay. Pay attention on this one. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Ish. What is the least integer z for which this number is an integer? Guys, to this number be an integer, I need to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number, 1, 2, 3, by 10 to the power 4. And this number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if this is times 10 to the power of 18, this number is an integer. Okay? Be careful, it's not minus 18. He's not asking what is this if the number is in this way. Okay? So it's 18. Okay? To transform in an integer, I need to multiply by 10. Doing this, I prove that this is 125 times this, 25 times this, and 125 times this. So this times this is an integer. Okay? Oops, what I did. No, is right. This one you should kill in 1 minute. But I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Let's do it. Well, the annual interest rate earned by an investment increased by 10% from last year to this year. The interest rate, okay. Last year plus 10% is this year. Oops. The annual interest rate earned by an investment increased by 10% from last year to this year. So I think it's better. Let's just remember how I did today. It was okay. Last year, I will call Y. This year is 1.1 of Y. Do you guys agree? Okay. Okay. Increase it 10%. So this year is 1.1 Y. If the annual interest rate earned by the investment this year was 11%, so this year is 11%. Okay. And here's in percent as well. So I don't need to put 100 and 100. Okay. How much is last year? So I need to find Y. Y would be 110 over 11. Is that okay for you guys? Okay. So it will be 10. Okay.
Can you just do the,
Huh?
are you just able to minus initial over initial? It will get you the same spot, or is that one?
I don't know. Okay. Final. 1.1 Y minus Y divided by Y. Do you agree?
I did 11 minus 10.
Okay. 11. But it's not 11.
It's percent.
Yeah. Because it's 10% of what? Increase it 10% of what? Needs to have a variable. Okay. So you just put numbers. No. You don't know how much is the final or the initial. It's 10% of what? Okay. Next one. This is interesting. I'll give you guys 3 minutes for this one. This is try and error. The United States Mint produces coins in 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, and 50 cents denominations. If a jar contains exactly 100 cents worth of these coins, which of the following could be the total number of coins in the jar? 90. I will put, is always quantity times value. 90 coins of $1 each is $90. We need 10. And just one coin. And one coin of 10. This gives me $100, okay? And an amount 91 coins as he wanted. So it's possible. Okay. 81 is impossible. I never found a way. 76 is easy. I put 75 quantity coins of 1. That gives me 75 cents. And then 1 coin, because I can only have 76, of 25. So I have 25. So I have 100. Is that okay? And I have 76 coins. So 1 and 3. Okay? Okay? This is horrible. Next one. Let me see. 2 minutes is good. When a subscription to a new magazine was purchased for any months, the publisher offered a discount of 75% off the regular monthly price. Okay, how you pay this? You have a monthly price that you call Y. Okay, per month you would pay Y times the number of the months that I put M. Okay, each month costs Y, but he's offering in this plan for any months that we don't know how much, 75% off. So you pay 75%. Okay? This, if you pay, if the total value of the discount was equivalent to buying the magazine at its regular monthly price for 27 months times the normal price, what is the value of this quantity of months? Okay, so I'll cut Y with Y. 0.75 M is 27. 0.75 is 3 over 4. 27 divided by 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. So with this, instead of buying 27 months, you are capable to buy 36 months. Okay. Next one. This seems too complicated, but it's very easy. But even so, I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Okay. If you are taking too much time, it's because it's wrong. A manufacturer wants to produce X balls and Y boxes. Resource constraints require that X and Y satisfy the inequalities shown. What is the maximum number of balls and boxes? So X plus Y needs to be less than or equal to how much? Okay. Every time when we have inequalities in the same direction, you can treat like a system. You add, you see Y. 7x for X is 11x. 6y, 5y is 11y. Less than or equal? 38,000 plus 28,000 is 66,000. I'll divide everything by 11. X plus y less than 6,000. Done. Okay? Okay? I'll give you guys 2 minutes as well. Okay, look. Half of a large pizza is cut into 4 equal-sized pieces. And another half is cut into 6. If a person eats one of this quantity and 2 of this smaller, what fraction of the pizza would remain uneaten? Okay. So this is 1/8. Do you guys agree? Times 1 is 1. This is 1/12 times 2. So is 1/6. The least common multiple is 24. Divided by 8 is 3 times 1 is 3. Divided by 6 is 4 times 1 is 4. Is 7/24. So uneaten is 1 minus 7/24. Is 24 minus 7/24. That is 17/24. Do you agree? Good. This is very interesting. This I will give you guys 3 minutes. Just a second. 3 minutes. Well, here we need to pay attention to the technique as well, not only kill the question. So I always try to see the best technique or a technique that you can reproduce. Of all the students in a certain dormitory, half are first year and the rest are second year, so half. 4/5 of the first years have not declared a major. In this moment, I know I have this two-way table where I put first year, second year, declare a major, don't declare a major. So a half is first year, independent declaring or not declaring, half not. They are second year, independently if they declare or not. A whole. 4/5 of the first year student. So 4/5, not of the total, of the first year have not declared a major. So 2/5 are first year and not declared a major. So I can find this. I can find now. So this plus 2/5 is a half. So a half minus 2/5 is that. First year that declare. Least common multiple is 10, divided by 2 is 5, times 1 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2, times 2 is 4. So it's 1/10. 1/10. Okay? And if the fraction of the second year who have declared, so second year who have declared is 3 times first year who have declared. So he's telling me that second year who have declared is 3 times first year who have declared. So here is 3 times this. So it's 3/10. So I'm able to find this if it's needed. What fraction of all the students dormitory are second year who have not declared? So he's asking exactly this. So it will be a half minus 3/10. Okay? 10 divided by 2 is 5, times 1 is 5. 10 divided by 10 is 1, times 3 is 3. So 2/10, so is 1/5. Good? So, there was a competition in BBC. I don't remember. It was a prize it's not long ago, I think 5-6 years ago. I don't remember. And they would like wait, you launch a question, who answer first gain earn I don't remember, it was one magazine or no, they launch a question and like a question, word problems from math, and who solve it first will receive a perk. I don't remember what it was, and it was this, and I solved it, and I gained. No, but like by chance, because it was easy. I only had the lucky to be to navigate in the internet that I waited like 2-3 minutes, sort of down counting, and they opened and I did in this way the question. And people were struggling that, and I solved. Yes, because I was used to. It's not There's nothing related to intelligence, nothing. And I'm being truthful. Just because I was there and I knew by chance the question. I knew the technique. I didn't need to like elaborate in real time. I knew already. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is 30 seconds, but yeah, I'll give you guys 1 minute. Just a second. 1 minute for this one. Look, guys. The price of a certain stock increases by 0.25 of 1%. 0.25 of 1%. By what fraction did the price of the stock increase that day? 0.25 divided by 100, 1, 2. So it's 0.0025. That is 25, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10,000. Okay. 25 and 100, it will be 1 over 4. 4 times 100 is 1 over 400. Is that okay? Yeah, go ahead. I give you guys I give you guys 3 minutes for this one. A certain toll station on a highway has 7 toll booths, and each toll booth collects 0.75 from each vehicle that passes it. From 6 o'clock yesterday morning to 12 o'clock midnight. So 6 morning, 6 afternoon is 12 hours. Plus 6 is 18 hours. Vehicle passes each of the two boxes at an average of 4 vehicles per minute. 4, oh, I have hours. So I need to multiply by 60. Do you guys agree? Okay. Approximate how much money did the toll station collect during that time period? Okay. 7 times 3 over 4 times 18 times 4 times 60. 7 times 3 is 21 times 18 times 60. 20 times 20 times 60 because approximately. 12, 24, 3 zeros. Okay. Let's do it. A store selling price of 2,240 for a certain computer would yield a profit of 40% of the store costs for computer. Okay. Profit is selling minus cost. So the selling of 2,240, you give you a profit of 40% of the cost. Okay. 1.4 cost is 2,240. 22. Okay. C is 22400 divided by 14 is 11,200 divided by 7. Is 1,600 the cost. Now 50% of the cost, what is the selling price? So the cost we found 1,600, this doesn't change. What is the selling price to have 50%? Here's 800. plus 1,600 is 2,400. Do you guys agree? Okay. It's 800, and I pass this adding. Easy? Can I go? This is not hard, but it's not easy. Yeah. From 1 to 10, I would put 4. Okay. Next one. Let's do it. Okay. How do you know if a number is divisible by 3? You add the digits and see if the sum is divisible by 3, right? Did you know that? 3,473 is divisible by 3. 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3. 10, 17 is not divisible by 3 because the sum is 17. By 9 is the same thing, but the result needs to be a number divisible by 9. That's it. You know a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Okay? A positive integer s is divisible by 9 if and only if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. As I said. If n is a positive integer, for which of the following, okay, 25 times 10 to the power n plus k times 10 to the power 2n is divisible by 9. Well, here is a bunch of zeros. Here's a bunch of zeros. So I need to check among this, which one gives me a number divisible by 9. Here's 8. Okay? So you test is 47. 8 plus 4 plus 7 is 18. Is it right? I'm waiting. Everybody's paying attention. My God. Okay, I'll do it. Until here, everybody understood? Okay, everybody understood? 2 plus 5 is 7, not 8. Plus k, so 47. 7 plus 4 plus 7, 14, 18. I put 8 here. Is that okay? Because it's 0. You don't sum zeros. You need to sum the digits. 25 times 10 to the power 3 is 25,000. 0. I don't add. Is that okay? I'm going. Next one. Let's do it. The average arithmetic mean per film for a group of 21 films is T minutes. Okay. The summation is the quantity times the unit value. Okay. Per film, 21 times T. If a film that runs for 66 minutes is removed, let's remove from the group and replace it by one that runs for 52 minutes. So divided by 21. Why? Because average is the sum divided by the quantity. Okay. What is the new average? 21t minus 66 plus 52 is minus 14. Can I do that? T 2/3. Good. And we finished for today. Thank you very much. See you guys next. Next, maybe Thursday. Tuesday is Vivian. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.